If you are a brand new affiliate marketer, these top 5 affiliate marketing programs for beginners are the exact ones that you need to join today. Inside this video, I'm going to show you the top 5 best affiliate programs for beginners, and these are going to be absolutely 100% beginner friendly. You're going to have easy approval, so you don't have to go through a long process to prove yourself in order to become an affiliate for these programs. And lastly, these affiliate programs that I'm about to show you are going to give you big commissions every single time you refer somebody with your affiliate link. You see, when it comes to affiliate marketing, what you have to do is you have to send traffic. That could be either free traffic or paid traffic to a company using your unique affiliate link, and then that company pays you out a commission every single time a customer buys using your affiliate link. Now, you may be familiar with affiliate marketing networks like ClickBank, Warrior Plus, and even Digistore 24. We're not going to be using any of those affiliate marketing programs in this video. I'm going to show you unique affiliate marketing programs that are going to make you big commissions. So let's go ahead and jump into number 1. The first affiliate marketing program for beginners is going to be Clickfunnels. If you're not familiar with Clickfunnels, it is a software company that allows you to build sales funnels for your business. That could be like email opt-in funnels, upsell funnels, or even membership programs. The great thing about Clickfunnels as an affiliate marketing program is it's very easy to sign up, especially if you're brand new to affiliate marketing. All you have to go to is just affiliates.clickfunnels.com. That's going to take you to the affiliate marketing program sign up page. Clickfunnels will pay you up to 40% monthly recurring commissions on a $97 per month plan. So you are getting a generous amount of money on that recurring plan. However, if you are brand new, you can only earn up to 20% commission on the purchases of the Clickfunnels subscription. But if you prove that you are a good affiliate, they will bump you up to 40% monthly recurring commissions on the Clickfunnels software. But the cool thing about Clickfunnels is it's not only a software. They actually have back-end products that they promote for you so you can earn even higher commissions on those products. So they have things like the .com secrets book, the expert secrets book, and the traffic secrets book, and that allows you to make money on those different books by giving them away for free. They also give you $100 commission for every person that you sign up for the One Funnel Away Challenge and the 30 Days Challenge. If you scroll down here, you can see that with the Expert Secrets book, you earn $1 per book, but you can also earn up to $926 in commissions on the multiple back-end offers. So there's a huge, generous amount of money that they're going to be giving you to promote this book that they basically give away for free. Also, you earn up to $100 every single time somebody signs up for the One Funnel Away Challenge. And the One Funnel Away Challenge costs $100, so they give you 100% commission for every person that you refer to the One Funnel Away Challenge. So I highly recommend the Clickfunnels affiliate marketing program, especially if you are a beginner to affiliate marketing. You're going to be earning big commissions for every referral you send to Clickfunnels. Affiliate marketing program number 2 is going to be Builderall. So just like Clickfunnels, Builderall is a funnel builder, but it also offers different kind of functionality inside of its program. So you have the page builder, you have the page builder for WordPress, e-commerce, you have a professional email, you have even text message delivering, checkout, you have a CRM included inside of Builderall. So there's tons of different functions inside of this funnel builder, which is Builderall. But unlike Clickfunnels, it's actually a whole lot cheaper. So it's easier to get people to sign up with your affiliate link because it's cheaper than Clickfunnels, and you can leverage that pricing plan in order to get more signups. As we see here, the most expensive program is $87.90. So that's still $10 cheaper than the cheapest Clickfunnels program. And you can also get people in at $16.90 per month. So it's relatively cheap compared to Clickfunnels and other softwares that do the same kind of thing that Builderall does. When it comes to the affiliate marketing program side of Builderall, you get 30% recurring commissions for everybody that you sign up. But then they also have a second tier affiliate marketing program so that you get paid for every single time your affiliate signs up people underneath their affiliate link. So there's 2 different tiers of ways that you can earn money inside of Builderall, and that's why I highly recommend this program as a beginner affiliate marketing program. If we look at some of the testimonies here, you can see that this person, James Neville Taylor, has done over $500,000 in Builderall affiliate commissions. And also Chad Bartlett, he's done over $500,000 in Builderall. And you can just keep going on and on. This guy's done $400,000. Here's another $300,000. Here's $220,000. $250,000. So a lot of people are making money with this affiliate marketing program. And if you can just bring in 20 people per year and then those 20 people bring in 5 people, you can make up to $419 per month recurring. And that's only by referring 20 people per month. So you can definitely make a lot of money with the Builderall affiliate marketing program, and I highly recommend checking it out if you're a beginner. Number 3 is going to be Legendary Marketer. Now with Legendary Marketer, it's more of an online marketing education platform instead of a software. So you still get recurring commissions every single time you sign up people underneath their recurring plan, but Legendary Marketer is more geared towards teaching people how to do online marketing. And it's actually my #1 recommended affiliate marketing program, especially if you are new to affiliate marketing. They offer something called the 15-day online business builder challenge, and that is the program that have taken people from brand new affiliate marketers to earning thousands and thousands of dollars every single month with affiliate marketing. If we take a look at the referral plan for Legendary Marketer, you can see that they have high ticket, subscription, and lifetime commissions inside of their affiliate marketing program. So you have up to 60% commissions on subscription, 40% commission on courses, and 30% on masterminds and coaching. And if we scroll down, you can see the payout section for Legendary Marketers. So if you become a pro affiliate, which I highly recommend becoming a pro affiliate, you have to pay a monthly fee for that, but you're going to be getting way more commissions as a pro affiliate compared to a basic affiliate. So if we take the pro commission right here, you can see that if somebody signs up for the Legendary Marketer Club monthly, you're getting $18 per month recurring commission for that affiliate sale. Then if somebody does the annual one, you get $107. And Legendary Marketer actually offers tons of different courses and online coaching. So for Traffic University, it's a $1,500 course, but as a pro affiliate, you get almost $600 as your affiliate commission. If you scroll down here, you can see that you can actually earn upwards of $1,350 if somebody purchases the business blueprints with the coaching mastermind. So that's going to be $1,350 that you get as a commission if you just refer somebody to that blueprint. This is exactly how people like Twin Key Hustle have made over $40,000 in 3 months just by promoting the Legendary Marketer program. I'm going to go ahead and leave it down below this video if you want to sign up and become an affiliate for my absolute favorite affiliate marketing program, Legendary Marketer. Affiliate marketing program number 4 is going to be Bluehost. Now Bluehost is a web hosting platform, and they specialize with people who are doing websites on the WordPress platform. So you can see here that you can earn up to $65 for each qualified hosting purchase. So that's a huge chunk of money every single time you refer somebody to Bluehost hosting program. And as you can see, they've paid out over $5 million in paid commissions last year alone. So that just shows that Bluehost is a well-renowned affiliate marketing program that anybody can join and start promoting online. One of the best ways to actually promote Bluehost, as you will see, is going to be on Pinterest. If I just type in start a blog, you see that all these different pins actually link out to a article on somebody's website. So if we click on this right here for talkbits.com, we could scroll down, and I guarantee that this blog right here is probably promoting Bluehost as the affiliate marketing program. And yep, they absolutely are. As you click on this link right here, this is going to be talkbits.com affiliate link, and it's going to send you over to WordPress, and that's where you're going to sign up. So you can see that they're probably making hundreds of dollars or even thousands of dollars alone on this one web page, because as you can see, it had over 36.5 thousand shares on this one post promoting Bluehost alone. So you could create tons of different articles that mention blogging and hosting and make money with the Bluehost affiliate marketing program that way. Affiliate marketing program number 5 is going to be Canva.com. Now you're probably familiar with Canva as a design website that has tons of different templates for building out social media posts. But what you probably didn't know is that Canva has one of the best affiliate marketing programs, especially if you're new to the affiliate marketing game. Look at this. All you have to do is register as an affiliate and then promote the Canva Pro, and you can earn up to $36 for every new Canva Pro subscriber that signs up with your unique affiliate link. And Canva has simple, timely payouts. They give you priority support, and you can track all your affiliate results inside of the Canva affiliate marketing program. Now you're probably wondering, how do people actually make money with the Canva affiliate marketing program? Well, as you can see here, if we go to YouTube and we just type in Canva, you can see that people are actually creating helpful tutorial videos teaching you how to use Canva. So if we see this one right here, how to use Canva for beginners, if I click on this, then we can go down here and I can guarantee that there's going to be an affiliate link for Canva. And as you can see right here, there's a link promoting Canva Pro. So every single time somebody signs up for Canva Pro using this link, then Natalia is going to get a recurring commission for every single person that she signs up with her referral link. So there's tons of potential when it comes to Canva, and all you have to do is just create simple tutorial videos on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, and you're going to get people signed up for Canva Pro using your affiliate link. So now that you know the top 5 affiliate marketing programs for beginners, I highly recommend checking out the link down below this video if you want to sign up for my #1 recommended affiliate marketing program and also learn affiliate marketing step by step. I have free resources and some of my most recommended paid resources down below this video inside the description, so you're never going to run out of content or training when it comes to affiliate marketing. And if you want more content from me, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, click the like on this video, and watch the videos that are coming up on the screen now. I'm David, and I create all kinds of videos teaching you how to make money online and how to create a passive income lifestyle with affiliate marketing that will pay you for years to come. So I will see you guys inside of my next video.